Hi everyone, my name is April Dobbs and I am a PhD student at NCSU, working under the guidance of Dr. Ramon Leon. For this NRCS CIG project, we are using three-dimensional imaging to map and quantify cover crops and weeds. Although cover crops are an important strategy for weed management, they can have variable performance in the field, especially if there are dry or flooded areas. This heterogeneity increases the risk of late-season weed escapes, which can be an added risk for growers. Therefore, we are developing a three-dimensional imaging system to create a spatial model to predict the effects of cover crop performance on weed suppression, as well as to provide growers with a tool for identifying late-season weed escapes. We are currently in phase 1 of this project, where we are calibrating the 3D imaging system to recognize and quantify cover crops. We are using a GoPro camera to collect videos of cover crops at multiple locations. Each video will be split into many images, which will be analyzed by an algorithm using a technique called structure from motion to create a 3D reconstruction of the crop canopy and an estimate of biomass in a given area. As you can see in each video, we have 3 red balls that are placed 1 meter high. This gives the algorithm a height reference point so that it can estimate the cover crop biomass in a 1 square meter area around each red ball. To calibrate the 3D system, we are collecting cover crop biomass from each 1 square meter area so that we can compare the biomass estimate that the algorithm calculates with ground truth data. We are also taking measurements of NDVI and leaf area index, which we will use to further validate the results. We are very excited about this project because it will help growers to optimize precision weed control as well as use of cover crops. This will reduce the need for herbicides, thereby improving soil health and water quality.